Hello everyone, I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write it in the comments. Let's start. We'll give you two different solutions. Let's start with the first solution. First subtraction, 8 minus 6 equals 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Hidden multiplication, 2 times 2 equals 4. If you solved the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should have paid attention to order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. E stands for parentheses, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here we have another rule. There is no order multiplication and division. Operations are done from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction. Operations are done from left to right. Okay. E, A, M and D, A and C. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Okay. Now, let's solve the equation according to the rule. Please like the video. Thanks for like. Subtraction, multiplication, parentheses. First, parentheses. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Subtraction and multiplication. First, multiplication. 6 times 2 equals 12. Finally, subtraction. 8 minus 12 equals negative 4. The correct answer will be negative 4. Great job! We learned the wrong answer, the correct answer, and rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.